Welcome to Share Plant Rentals. In this tutorial, we will be demonstrating how to set up your related products in your owner dashboard. To begin, select your dashboard from the menu in the top right. Now in your dashboard, select More Options and choose Related Products from the menu. A related product will be recommended and shown underneath another product to encourage the buyers to hire your other equipment. Click into the Search Product section and select the product you would like to focus on. Next, click into the Add Related Products section and choose which product you would like to be linked with your focused product. Then select Save. Your related product will then be displayed underneath. I will now show you how this would work on the website, as a buyer would see it. Using this feature can make a user's search easier, as they can find similar products that can be used together, which could also influence more transactions. Here you can see at the bottom there is a product linked underneath the words "You may also like similar products." This allows your buyer to view other products you have to offer without clicking through to your shop. You have now completed your related product setup. For more guidance and next steps, please visit our website or YouTube channel.